Hi, everybody. Schoology is having some crazy issues that we need to address. So, for starters, if you are seeing my courses pop up in your Schoology account and you have not been enrolled in my class until you see this pop up, chances are you are still not in my class. So before you move forward with doing any work with me, please send me a message or send Miss Jackson or Miss Jones a message and ask for confirmation that you are in fact enrolled in my course. There are some people that have like 10 courses they're enrolled in, but on Schoology, but if you check the Home Access Center, you'll see that you are in fact not enrolled in my course. So that's issue number one with Schoology. Issue number two. If you remember at the beginning of the school year, guys, if you were at Manor already at the beginning of the school year, the first week and the second week, Schoology lost all of my courses at some point. And they just disappeared, and the materials in them disappeared, and they're just gone. And so a few days later, my courses reappeared, but with nothing in them. So I rebuilt the courses. And that's what we've been using is that second rebuilt course that I posted. Well, on Friday, the old courses have magically reappeared, but I am not using those still. I am still using that second new one that I made because that's where all the work for this week is. So if you are signing on to Schoology, please try to remember what the picture for your class looked like. If you were in period one, it was that one of me on stage where my arms are like this. If you're in period two, it was a picture of my dog's face. If you're in period three, it's the one where I have the orange hair. And unfortunately, periods 4, 5, and 6, I never posted a new picture for yours. So it's just like that blue thing with floating books and whatever. So when you click on the course, make sure it has the picture that you remember it had. And that'll be a good indicator. Another good indicator that you're in the right course is that there will be work under Monday, September 14th. Okay? I think that is all the things I needed to tell you about. So again, if you are seeing that I am your teacher, and I haven't been, don't do the work. I'm still not your teacher. And if you are not sure which class or it says you have two, look for the one with the most recent that has the most stuff in it. And some people are not sure where to find that. So I'm actually going to do a quick tutorial so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. So if you go into your courses, see, I even have the same issue. I have Theater Arts 7 right here, and then I have Theater Arts period 7 again right here. Or Theater Arts 4, I have it here, and I have it right next to it right here. So it's just a big old mess. So the ones that are active are this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, my theater period 8. Okay, so all the other ones you need to not look at. But let's say you can't see more than one on here. Oh, sorry. So you would go to courses, and then there's this little tiny My Courses link right here on the top right of your screen. You're going to click that, and it'll give you like a list of the courses that you have. So for example, under Theater Arts 1, you'll see that even for me, it has Theater Arts Section 1-1 and Section 1-1 again. You just need to click it and see which one has the correct picture. So this is the correct and active class for right now. And if you are clicking on and it is blank, or it doesn't have the daily attendance thing and the Zoom information, and it should only say first 9 weeks, I think, for most of my classes, because these are the ones I had to fix. Then you're in the wrong class and you should try to look for it again. If you're still having a hard time finding my class, send me a message and I'll try and get back to you as fast as I can. And yeah, hopefully that helped solve the mystery of what's happening with Schoology. Please message the school if you have any questions. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.